Hello and welcome viewers. Let us see how to convert this isometric into 3D solid by using Tinkercad. Just visit to the Autodesk Tinkercad website, sign in over there. I already have account, so sign in here and just click on create a new design. Yes, it will provide you a work plane. Now if you see our drawing, there are three symmetrical D-type sections and there is a one hole of diameter 15 and outer radius is 15. So let us draw one. I choose one cylinder and rotate it with the 90-degree and dimension of that cylinder is first we prepare the whole type structure. So diameter is 15, so height of that cylinder is 15, thickness width is 15, and if you see the thickness of that shape, it is 10. Again I choose a second cylinder, rotate it with the 90-degree, and height of that one is 30. So again 30 is the width. Again by clicking I change the thickness, because as per our drawing thickness is 10. So thickness is 10. Just choose the both the primitives, align them as center to center, and by clicking on center cylinder I just make it whole. So here you get the hole in the disc, and for getting the preview of it you need to group it. Then I chose one cube, make it the height of 30, thickness 10, and again by choosing both the entities align it at corner to corner or center to center, and by clicking on the left hand side view move it with the 15 distance. So again here you get the same entity. Again ungroup all the things, group all the things. So here you get the D-type structure. Now here we completed the 1D. Now if you see that there is the again rectangular shape of 38, so I just draw the 38, height is again 30 and width is 10. Again align both the entities, both the primitives. Yes, it's the corner align. Now just clicking on the D shape, just make it a copy paste, control C, control V, shortcut for that one, and move it some distance. Whatever the first primitives, group it so it not get move anywhere. If you see our drawing, there is one another D-type section, but it is a mirror of first one. So again I make it copy paste. So again use their same Control C, Control V, move it with some distance. Select the first solids and make them align and group it. Whatever our third solid, rotate it with the 180-degree, and by selecting all the solids, align them as a center. But in our third entity there is some difference than the first one. It is of 35, rectangular shape. From the center it is of 35, so ungroup the solid and make the changes, then group it again. So here you get the exact solid of given shape as per our drawing. Again, by selecting all the solids, align them as a center to center, or center to first corner, or center and end corner. So it is easy for us to move this third entity. Now select this third solid, and as per our drawing it is at a distance of 30 plus 15 plus extra distance 5, so total 50 distance. So I click on the left hand side view and move it with the distance of 50. So here you get the exact solid. Select all the solid and group it. So this is our solid, complete solid. You can download it as a STL file, print it, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again.